Hey YouTube world, it's Trev here from Monthly Missions, and I'm just at another Airbnb in Edmonton. This one I've been at before, but I rented a different room. So I'm showing this again because I'm in a different room, a nicer room. And yeah, I'm just checking out. So just thought I'd do like a walkthrough. This is February 15th, the middle of February. Spring is almost here. All the snow is almost all melted. It's all turning to this ice, this thick ice everywhere. But yeah, I'm ready to go. I'm just about ready to call my Uber. Then off to the Holiday Inn. Tomorrow I begin work. So nice living room. Nice big TV, sound bar. I actually woke up this morning with a cold, so I'm about to sneeze. And look at this cute little table, eh? Perfect for board games with a couple friends. This here's the laundry room. They keep the laundry room under lock and key, but you have to pay extra to use the washer and dryer. But last night, the guy paid extra for the washer and dryer, and then he left the door open. He left that unlocked, and the code is 767 to get in at any time and use the laundry. The owner's never here. It's too funny. I'm just exiting, and I just found out the code for it for free laundry. Meanwhile, the other guy paid extra. It's too funny, eh? So this is the back door. Yeah, not much to see out there, just an alley. And this room and the front room, the lights are automated, motion detector. So you can't turn them on, you can't turn them off, they just appear when you're in the room. See, like now, that light just came on. Anyways, let's go show my room. If anything, this shows I'm leaving the room with no damages. This is the washroom. Last time I did have that room number 2. Smaller room, smaller bed, cheaper price. I think this one was $65. Room number 1. And as you can see, it's all automated. It all comes on when you enter the room. I like these new mirrors. You know, when I was first here, I seen a bidet. When I was first here, I'm going, where the heck's the toilet paper? Come on now. I need some toilet paper. Sure enough, I found it in this thing. It just comes out like that. But when it's up inside, it's hidden. You don't know it's there. I didn't know that was a toilet roll dispenser. And shower, and that big shower head. So this is the first time too I've seen this. There's a stand for the TV. And you can move the TV anywhere. Last night this whole time I've had my Android box hooked up to that and pull it close to the bed, fall asleep watching TV. But I like the big floor to ceiling window here. Just love that. And it doesn't have cords. You grab it by the bottom and it lifts up. Yeah, I love that window. Lets in lots of natural sunlight. But yeah, I can buy the cords. And this walk-in closet is incredible. They really didn't have to have such a master closet in here, such a huge walk-in closet. They could have easily made this into an ensuite closet. Look at the space in here. They could have gave them a small closet and then put in a washer, full shower, a basin. Like that's enormous. Yeah, they could have easily made that en suite. Such a waste of space. They can make an en suite and charge more. I love a fan. I absolutely love a fan. Go to sleep with it at night. The noise put you to sleep. But anyways, I'm just about to call my Uber. This is my latest, February 15th. This is my latest Airbnb. And I just thought I'd show it off. Just thought I'd show off my ministry shirt while I'm on it. Okay, off to the Holiday Inn I'm at. Headed to the Holiday Inn for tonight. Get my stuff ready. Then tomorrow morning at 6:30 in the morning, then we get picked up by the company bus. And I'm off to a new camp. Lady Fern in British Columbia. Apparently it's an 11-hour bus ride. Yeah, 11 hours on this school bus type of bus. It's not even a coach bus. Oh, it's not going to be comfortable. But it's exciting. Brand new camp. Brand new videos yet to come. Thanks for subscribing, everybody. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. Thanks very much, everybody. Take care.